is it 1617? I think this is Champa Street. I'm pretty sure this is Champa Street. And we got this modded Montgomery elevator here. Down to B. Whoa, the whole swing panel's loose. Look, you can see the buttons. See the back part of the buttons. This was definitely a Montgomery of sorts. MontgomeryKone maybe. No, this is probably just a Montgomery. Can't see anything up there really. What is this down here? Oh, there's the camera. I'll just do it in 0.5. For some reason the 0.5 camera lines up better with these indicators sometimes. I don't know why that is. Down to 1. This is a very basic elevator. Very, very basic. Just stainless steel cab and innovation. Typical, this is like your most basic United States generic. The stainless steel cab and innovation fixtures. Doesn't get more basic than that. Anyway, that will be it.